All right, special thanks to this company for sending me their R3 Pro smartwatch to create an unboxing and show everybody what comes in here. Now, nothing really on the outside of the box. You got a little world logo here that you can actually feel it. Wow. R3 Pro, and in the back, just a smartwatch with FCC rules, and this one is gray in color. So let's check this out and see what we have. Look at that. Connect guide if your phone is Android. So video, app download. They got all kinds of information right here to help you get started. You don't even need a setup video for me. Look at this. It tells you everything. Where to get help, all the settings to make sure are in place, absolutely everything. 2 big thumbs up to this company. Normally, you don't get this level of detail, and there it is for iOS as well. So they've got both of them right there for you. That's pretty darn amazing. Props to them. Now this is a full user's guide, giving you even more information. Love it. And then here is our little included charger. You can see it's a little proprietary magnetic charger. And this one actually comes with this extra little wrist strap. That's pretty nice. All right, but here's the actual smartwatch. And look at that. That looks very similar to some other smartwatches on the market, we'll say. The charging, like I said, is magnetic. Just clips right on there and charges. And let's see if it's got any power. Power it on. Hold down this button. I don't think it does. I don't think it has any. Oh, it does have power. About what it would look like on a wrist. But I love the feeling of this band as well. And looks like they come off very similar to other bands. So very, very nice. I was going to go through the setup with you, but they have a very detailed guide here. So this will just be the unboxing. This is what the R3 Pro unboxing looks like. A very nice, beautiful smartwatch with tons of features as well. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.